Hello guys, my name is Govind Sharma. In this video tutorial, I am going to tell you most interview questions asked in data science. So it's a very simple. Here is the two variable I have given. So in variable one is hello world and variable two world for world. So as I have given variable one 0 as we know index start with 0 in Python. So let's see what's the output of these variables. Just select this command control enter to execute. Okay, and let's try this. It gives h. As we know index start with 0 in Python, so 0 means h. And I give variable to 1 to 5, it gives ORLD. Okay, so let's see what the output of this following program. So here I am going to import RE, the module. Okay, RE is a regular expression programming language. Is a text string for describing a search pattern, and it's useful for extracting information for tags such as code, files, log, spreadsheets, and expression can be like text matching, repetition, branching, pattern composition, etc. So this is the program. Here's the sentence: horses are fast. And I give a regex the re.compile, the animal and verb and adjective. Okay, so I need to match the sentence and then in the group dictionary. So select this. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here you can see the output. Animal is horse, verb are, and adjective fast. Let's move to the next question. So here I give the line equal to what will have so well, and I need to split line dot split with a, and here I have given an for loop for I in L, print I and equal to with space. Okay, select this and enter to execute. So it's split with a, तो यहाँ पर a गायब हो गया. What will have so will with space. Okay, so the next question. Here I have given a function, my function a equal to a plus 2 and a equal to a multiply 2. Return a, print my function 2. So it gives nothing because as I have given two things here, a plus 2a multiply 2, it gives the intended an error. Let's select this, enter to execute. Okay, तो यहाँ पर ऑब्वियसली एरर आएगा. और as I have given the question 4, the dictionary 1, Google 1, Facebook I have given 2, Microsoft is 3, and in dictionary 2, GFZ 1, Microsoft 2, and YouTube 3. And now we need to update a dictionary 1 to 2. So just need to dictionary 1 dot update dictionary 2. तो यहाँ मैंने लूप लगाया है for key value in dictionary dot items print key and values. So key and values. Select this command control. Okay, so first we need to select these two dictionaries and then select the for loop. Okay, so it's updated to dictionary 2, Google 1, Facebook 2, Microsoft 2, GLG 1, YouTube 3. Okay, as we can see here Microsoft 3, but we have updated dictionary for dictionary from dictionary 2 is the 3 to 2, Microsoft 2. Here is the value 2 of the Microsoft. And let's see, I've given a class and also define a variable, initialize self id equal to id and id equal to 555 and acc equal to 111 and print acc dot id. Let's see what happens. Select this, command control enter to execute. It gives 111. Now the question 6, the temp, I need to give a temperature geek values for value geeks. Now the data equal to x for x in integer x, for x in temp, if x dot is digit, if x percent 2 equal to 0. It means x percent 2 equal to 0 means यहाँ पर जो कि वैल्यू 2 से डिवाइड हो वही प्रिंट होकर आए. Let's see. If it gives a 2 2 6 4 4. Okay. And the question is 7, if I equal to 0 and while I less than 3 print I plus equal to 1 else print 0. I is less than 3 print I. So as we know it gives the value 0 1 2 and else print 0. So like this, it gives the value 0 1 2 0. Okay. So let's go ahead. क्वेश्चन इज 8 पर आते हैं हम. यहाँ मैंने ए डिक्शनरी में दिया है 1 इक्वल टू ए, 2 इक्वल टू बी, 3 इक्वल टू सी एंड बी इक्वल टू ए डॉट कॉपी. इसकी मैंने एक कॉपी बना ली और 2 में मैंने डी को रिप्लेस कर दिया. अब प्रिंट ए, इट्स अ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन. सो यहाँ हम देखेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम प्रिंट ए कर रहे हैं तो उसमें बी का कोई रोल नहीं है इसमें. ये इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं इंटरव्यू में लाइक दिस. तो उसने सेम दे दिया, यही प्रिंट करा दिया. ठीक है, अगर हम यहाँ बी प्रिंट कराते तो क्या आता? D2 की जगह डी को रिप्लेस कर दिया. ओके. And if sometimes interviewer asks a loop for infinite times, so for loop works for infinite time. Yes. So is the itertools is library. Okay. Now the for f in cycle range 0 to 10 and then print f. So it's for loop for infinite times until we exit or stop the command. Okay. So I hope you like this tutorials. So if you like it guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.